My name is Bonnie Reich and welcome to Symmetry Closets. We understand there's no such thing as a simple life, but a well-ordered life is achievable through great design. Yes, big dreams do live in small spaces. Does your home office feel more like your office instead of your home? With so many wonderful features and finishes to choose from, your home office should be built just for the way you work. There are many options available to make your office work just for you. All of the file drawers you could want, whether they're legal or letter, standard or lateral, all of these can be built in to your office just for you. Slide-out keyboard trays, additional storage, perhaps overhead for books and binders, and a special place for your printer that's convenient and easy to access. When designing your custom home office, remember to include lighting. It's very important. Now, there are two types of lighting. There's task lighting to illuminate your work surface, very important so you can properly see what you're doing, and then ambient lighting. That's that lighting that just gives that home office, that wall unit, just that special little pop. So, with so many features, so many finishes, your home office should be built to inspire you so you can do your best work yet. Remember, big dreams do live in small spaces.